Gold and silver failing to show any retracement. We have seen crashing sharp yesterday and today again starting on a bearish note. Yes, we have seen gold hitting the lows at 25.59 and silver moving close to $30 levels. Yes, the critical support zones here. What to expect? Can we expect more crash here in the metals as we can see a bit of selling pressure here, or it has come down to an oversold zone and a possibility of a recovery is there? If yes, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis, multiple time frames, provide you the logic so that you can take a trade at a particular trade with confidence and trade with profit. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. First, on the hourly charts, very clear that it is trading bearish, that everybody knows. We have seen the lower lows. Look at the formation here. Every drop is followed with a little retracement or consolidation, and now it is undergoing the fifth leg of drop here, trading clearly in this bearish channel here. Lower highs, lower lows are there. Now the highs are far apart, far above. However, one must notice that it has seen almost the lows, and now the bearishness in gold is only if it trades below 25, 55, 56 zone. That is going to remain the prime support zone for the day. Now look at the hourly charts. What is happening here? See, almost symmetry here and a double bottom here. So if it shows a recovery, if it trades about 25.66, we can expect a further rise where we can expect it to move towards 25, 70, 1.5, 72.5, the first target zone. And if it stays above this, we can expect a move towards 25.8284. Now 25.8284 is going to remain the prime resistance for the day, because trading above which chances will be high that we may see gold again at 2600 levels. Now whether it could retest, see, ideally you see that the stochastic has come to an oversold zone, and stochastic always trades in waves, hitting the highs and the lows. Though it is possible that with little movement in gold prices, it can recover completely. However, the little movement can still take the prices towards 25.8084. See, stochastic here is also dropped. It is trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also come down to the oversold zone here. So this calls for a little recovery here. Coming to the 2 hour charts, when you see the 2 hour chart, see what has happened yesterday. It is consolidated here, and I have mentioned yesterday very clearly that only bullishness is in gold is if it trades about 26, 25, 26. What has happened? Hitting the highs at 26.20, we have seen it dropping sharp. Now this is the fourth leg of drop here, and see the bearishness getting diminished. Now if you see it is staying about 25.65, 66, we can expect it to move towards 25.72, 74, and then 82.84 as the next, because beyond 25.84 is where slight bullishness will prevail here. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is also come down to an oversold zone. So yes, things are pretty much oversold here on the smaller time. And if you look at the 3 hour chart, similar observation, sideways movement, then a drop. See a retracement or consolidation, then a drop. So yes, this time again it is undergoing the fourth leg here for the bearish move. But if you notice, there is a little divergence from the 20 period moving average, and the more the divergence, the higher the chance of it to converge. Now 2600 is going to be the prime resistance today, very very strong, very very important. And then 2620, 2626 is anyways going to be there, because beyond which only you should treat or expect a reversal in gold prices. Stochastic oversold here. MACD is already hitting the lows here, and it appears that this is the bottom which it would not like to break, and it is almost sitting at the bottom here. RSI is also come down to an oversold. Coming to the 4 hour chart, see on the 4 hour charts, another thing to note here is straight bearish candles here, not willing to show any signs of reversal. The current candle started with higher lows, so a possibility is there that the current candle might start to show signs of retracement. Signs of retracement means we can expect a little recovery here. And see, once it stays about 25, first thing is you can buy at 25, 66, 65, but then be careful at 25, 72, 74, and then 82, 84. These are the three levels which are going to remain critical for the day. If you look at the stochastic, this has also come down to an extremely oversold zone. The MACD has already hit the lows. Right now it is trading with divergence and bearishness. And see, when it was When it was bullish, we have hardly seen gold breaking beyond plus 20 levels. But while it is bearish, we have seen it hitting the lows here at minus 30. This is definitely a slightly oversold zone which calls for a recovery here. But I can see there is lot much of selling pressure here in gold. So it requires a lot much of effort for it to break on the upside. Now, but yes, I can definitely say that this has come to an oversold zone from where the recovery has to be there. The RSI is also staying oversold. Coming to the before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts, look at the preceding candle, lower highs are there, lower lows are there, trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now even if it tries to hit the top of the channel, it means the zone here between 2580 2600 going to remain critical, and a breakout beyond 2600 should lead towards 2620 zone, because beyond this it is going to deliver a reversal candle here, it is going to deliver a bullish candle here. Right now if you notice, the day is started on the bearish note, it is already hit, and also it is outside Bollinger Bands. Now see, I will definitely see that how it behaves even if it tries to hit the lows first 25 55 56 and then 25 50 48. These are the two levels which are going to remain the decisive factor today, because any break below first 25 55 56 zone and then next below 25 48 50 zone, if these two levels are taken, I think it is not recommended for you to buy gold. Let it stay oversold, and it is going to stay in this oversold zone for a while. So these two levels you should keep a note of: 25 55 56 and 25 48 50. Only bearishness is if it trades below 25 48 50, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 25 30 20 as the first target zone and 2500 as the next. Stochastic here has also come down to an extremely oversold zone. The MACD is still trading with divergence, trading bearish, and see the candle sizes are increasing here. It has to converge a bit, it has to show diminishing bearishness here, that is what we can expect. But right now it is very much staying in the you can say staying overbought, oversold, and staying bearish. RSI is also looking at this. Yes, you can buy here at 25 25 65 66, but then wait for it to trade about 25 72 74, first target zone 25 80 84 the next. If 25 80 84 zone is taken today, you can just stay bullish. Chances will be very very high that we will see it hitting 2600 zone. In fact 2591 should be the first resistance, and beyond that 2600 to 2604 should be seen. If it breaks this zone, stay bullish for 26 12 26 20 26 25, and 26 25 26 is the ideal level only above which we can expect bullishness here in gold, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Yesterday also we have respected these levels. Today again I am mentioning 25 or 26 25 26 is the only level above which you should consider for reversal. On the downside, sell at 25 55 56, but then you have to be cautious and careful for 25 48 50, and a drop below 25 48 50 is a clear sign of more bearishness, where you can look forward to 25 40 25 33, and then in fact 25 20 levels. Below 25 20 it's going to be 2500. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. Notice the formation here. See, I can see diminishing bearishness in here in silver, and the bullishness. Look at the highs here. These are lower highs, and now it appears that the silver is definitely going to find it difficult to break the critical psychological level at $30 levels, which is very very important for it to break. Now 30 and 29.75 are the two levels which are very important for silver to break in order to invite more crash. Else what is happening, notice here, just look at the formation here. Drop couple of symmetrical candles, it can move towards lower highs, and if it trades above 30 you can expect further bullishness here. So first thing is 30-40 levels it needs to crack, then 30-80, and if it breaks 30-80, just stay bullish here towards 31-31.25. Breaking beyond 31.25 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic rising, the MACD has hit the lows, trying to converge a bit. The RSI is also sitting at the On the 2-hour chart, see diminishing bearishness. This could become the sign of reversal. When can you consider this as a sign of reversal? If the current candle trades above 3040, you can say this will become the reversal sign, and then the next candle might take it further high towards 3060 and 3080 level. So yes, you can buy here at 3040, but with the caution note that till 3080, and in fact let me include 31, till 31 we should not be treating this as bullish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is trading bearish here with divergence. The RSI is also at bottom. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is same series of bearish candles preceding one a swing candle. The current one finding the base here close to 30, trying to bounce back. And now see the selling entry is below 30 only. There you can expect it to move towards 29.75, and below this we are looking forward to a greater down move. But I must say that silver, whenever you see such dips, it always shows a little retracement, and this is the fourth drop here, so a possible recovery from here cannot be denied. However, right now the momentum is not very much in support of such a stronger recovery. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD is also trading bearish. The RSI is also at bottom, so mixed indication here. On the 4-hour charts, and now see on the 4-hour chart, see preceding few candles delivered lower highs, lower lows, and it is now very important for silver to trade above 3040, which will confirm its further advancement, further up move here. And if you notice, silver, I have mentioned yesterday also, it hits the 20 period, stays around this and then drops, and that is what has happened yesterday as well. Now today again it is hitting the bottom. It is possible that it can move towards close to 20 period moving average, which means 3080 31 is going to be a prime resistance for the day for silver. Any breakout beyond which is going to be a good indication for a reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom, RSI at bottom. Coming to look at the daily charts, hitting lower lows. It is trying to recover. See preceding candle, you should notice it is closed at the bottom. It is closed in a bearish note, and the current candle is starting with lower lows, now trying to recover. So it is possible that it can move towards 3080 31, and if it breaks this zone, you can expect a recovery in silver prices. Right now I can say that the momentum is not very much in support of such a strong recovery, but I can definitely say that $30 levels is a very strong support zone, 30 and 29.7580. So these two levels are very critical, because once silver comes out of this, we are looking forward to a greater down move towards 29 and $28 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and all RSI is already hit the bottom. So looking at this, very simple: buy at 3040, expect 3060, 80, 31, and once 31 is taken, 3125, 3150. Once 3150 is taken, stay bullish for 32. Chances for such a strong recovery appears to be very for the day till 31, it is going to be very strong, very difficult, and then specifically beyond 3125 is where the bulls will be seen here in silver. On the downside, sell here at $30 levels, expect 29.75, and if 29.75 is taken, stay short for 29.45, 29 15, and then below that $29 levels. Below 29, ideally the targets are towards 28, and again such a strong drop I do not expect now in silver. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.